Okay, guys. One hand is on. Oh my gosh. Y'all see. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special video for you guys. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, I cannot explain how excited I am to be doing this today. So today I will be unpackaging some of my girl Peachezcosmeticz nails. Get into them. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is I'm starting a series of me just doing loads of things with random nails, unboxing like my mini sewing machine, sewing projects together, and today I have a special guest that's going to be here in my next video where we're going to be baking princess cakes with press-on long nails. So right now, what I'm about to do is go ahead and get into these nails, show y'all what these nails look like. We're gonna pop these bad boys on and get this series going. So I'm super excited. So let me go ahead, flip the camera so y'all can get into the nails and let's get it going. Okay, you guys, so these are the nails. Let me make sure you guys can see. These are the nails that I asked for. They are really amazing. It comes with the stickies as well as these little, the cuticle oil, a buffer, and a fouler. So what I'm about to do now is file my nails down so I can go ahead and put the sticky pieces on and let's get going. So let me go ahead and do that and come back. Okay, y'all, that was like 2 seconds. So right now, what I'm going to do, what I'm doing is just kind of buffering the nails so the sticky stuff can really, you know, get up on here. So it could be sticky, so I could be like, so we're gonna do this, and I wanted to come on here because it was like, y'all just gonna watch me do that. My video gonna be mad short, and I could just talk to y'all. So, guys, I live for the fact that the packaging is pink. Y'all know I love pink, and they match my sweater. Perfect. So, I'll pop this open. I'm gonna try to reuse these for all my challenges. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you'll know when I'm posting these videos on my long nail series. It's gonna be exciting. I have a lot in store. I'm gonna be painting and all that. I'm gonna be doing all of that. So right now, I think I'm just gonna do one hand. So I'm gonna just start with my left. Or should I start with my right? Because I'm right-handed.
I wish I was both-handed, cause this shit here is overrated. Over-fucking right. Oh.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with my right-handed because I'm right-handed, okay? So, I want the pinky to be on my left hand. So I'm gonna go with this side. So I'm gonna be putting on this side first. So here we go. I'm gonna put on my thumbnail first. Okay. I'm going to put it on my nail first. Right, that'll be the smart thing to do. Boom. Okay, just like that. And then we're gonna peel she off. Oh my god, I'm peeling the wrong thing off, you guys. I'm the worst. Okay, sticky thing is on there. Ah! Okay. And we're gonna go in with the thumbnail. Here we go. Oh Lord Jesus. Oh my God. Okay, so what I'm about to do now is put on the rest of the nails and I'm gonna come back. It feels kind of weird, but let me just put this on and then we're gonna come back and talk to y'all and tell y'all how I feel. And yeah. Okay guys, one hand is on. Oh my gosh, y'all see. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this other one on so we can get things started. So excited. I feel like Shanae name. Oh my gosh, like am I going to be able to do these challenges, y'all? Like, seriously, I couldn't even fix the video. I used my free finger, but it's over for all of that. Because the nails are on. They are on, you guys. I was a little rough, so I am missing some jewels, but that is my fault. Take your time, I was just rushing. Oh my God, I see why girls don't wear these. Okay. Like that, and that's on that. Period. Don't loud, baby. Okay, my last pinky nail. Here they go.
Huh? Woo! Now I can go to the store.
Oh, what's good? Okay, so we got the nails on, you guys. So before we get out of here, I want to thank Peachezcosmeticz, my girl Paris, for sponsoring this video and providing me these long, sexy nails. They are so cute. Make sure you go get you some. I'm gonna go ahead and link my girl stuff here, so you go check her out. All her stuff will be in my description down below, so you guys can go ahead and purchase from her as well. But if you're still here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can see some more of this, and 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 that. It's Friday the 13th. Guess who's playing Jason?
That'll fuck him up.
Okay, y'all, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.